I'm checking something out here, running the test this morning on that camera and this mic. I've reset it a little bit, and I'm gonna walk over here and see if we can't check on the asparagus. I hate to walk through this after that rain, but I don't think it'll harm nothing. Mainly my shoes full of dirt, but we'll see. Now where I chopped this up and tilled this other day, it done a number on it. It surely done a number on it. Now what I want to know, if I'm breathing loud or if this sounds better. The quality of the video, trying to check and see if it's any better, because it's been a catastrophe for the last few videos. The color, everything's out of whack. So we're gonna try to see what we can do about that. Now, it's come a gully washer last night, evidently. I'm checking to see if any of the asparagus is back up. I'm gonna have to get out here and get this weeded. Duckweed coming up in it, or chickweed rather. And all that good stuff. Got to try to get this asparagus bed under control. Now I found a few pieces of asparagus the other day that was up, but now it's been 2 nights of freezing, and if any was up, I'll assure you that it's been froze and wilted back down. Right here looks to me like, yeah, right here, it is coming up, yes sir. Now we won't get to eat none of this right here this year, because, well, you could, but we're not going to. This is that purple passion, I think is the name of it, asparagus. And something else, I can't remember. We planted, I think, a couple different kinds. But yeah, it's coming up, and that's good. I'm glad to see that. There, I think that's the first row. Pretty good sized little asparagus tops, to tell you the truth. I just see some here, I don't see any over there. I need to look this up and see what the name of that asparagus was. Because I can't remember. I just see some growing right there. Of course, it could be everywhere. But I think that's going to get a pretty good stand. Just like I say, it's a little bit moist out here right now to be a playing in the garden. It come a typhoon last night and really soaked everything. Soaked her good too. Soaked her good. Gotta get out here and get all this pulled up. Now our onions that the first row, that we planted, yeah, they're over here. See, now I planted them all the way out to here. I don't see any onions till you get right here. They're starting right here. They're coming up. And yeah, they're coming up. The first row I planted is, some of them's up an inch or so. Yeah, boy. Now, I'll have to set a sprinkler up out here because, whew, it rained. That wind is something else. Something else, I'll tell you it is. See what the dogwoods are looking like this morning. Nice looking dogwood trees. Yeah. Okay.